I've enjoyed every second of it. It's kind of a learning experience like you would be working in an actual shop. We've been learning how to change brakes, how to redo drum brakes, change springs on them.
We start small with basic electrical and building circuits, and then diving into all the networking that a computer system has in a car today.
This could lead on to college and give me scholarships, and plus it's going to give me a head start.
Trailing arm as well?
We tore down this motor completely because we had something get stuck in the cylinder.
To stack washers. What we really want to do is give them an experience in our labs that simulates what a live shop would be.